fucking music. It's all about itself. Who loves me? Oh yeah, no one loves him up there. Just joking. I'm broke and I ain't worried about nobody else. I'm all about myself, man. And I ain't worried about nobody else. I'm all about myself, man. And I'm broke. And I ain't worried about nobody else. I'm all about myself, man. And I'm broke. So real. Let me tell you how this shit feels, man. Let me take all the time of the I got some stuff, it's the BUG. With my hands on my D-I-C-K. Bringing my neighbors tripping. I ain't tripping. Moving the ring ass all over the time. My heart is, and I ain't even playing. 2 months at the pen and I work up at the club. And a bitch make no mistake, I'm a fucking nervous. Royalty in my blood. It's so I fuck my whole ass right hand and take off. I ain't a model and I ain't human. And I ain't black and I ain't a woman. But you know me walking down the street. I'm super tree and my dick flows through my pants. Ain't worried about nobody else. I'm all about myself, man. I ain't worried about nobody else. I'm all about myself, man. I ain't worried about nobody else. I'm all about myself, man.
Yeah, I want the old one.
They call me this and they call me that. Shit, they never call you. Yeah? They call me this and they call me that. And you know it's true. Yeah? They call me this and they call me that. Shit, they never call you. Yeah? They call me this and they call me that. And you know it's true.
They say Queen Bee
could kill a man.
I can and I would and I will and I am. A tough ass bitch with a mean attitude. I'm nasty and classy.
Don't need no dude.
I'm so dirty that I'm out of the town. Drinking champagne,
Hold it down.
ass me bouncing up, sipping whiskey. Sexy as rap, but it's so silly.
They got time to shine between hoes. One bitch's mouth smell like the other bitch's hoes. They all know I'm the shit like you. I can see through you. You and the crew better know too. Y'all know me. Y'all know shit. Cause every bitch in this club is sick as dick. Even Jay-Z's begging to get on my track. Y'all know I don't call no gay dudes back. Yeah, I'm so super fly. I tell myself a dumb. I am a dope motherfucker. And the bitches want my sex. God damn it. I can't stand it. The bitches get the kids like a goddamn bandit. I gotta hand it. Yo, to these hoes. Cause they got this dick. And you know it goes. And it goes so well. And I look so fun. I fuck myself. But no incest.
Hi, my name's Tim Payne, and I'm all about myself, man. In the work in these streets, I got a hand on the house. No, man, every Monday, never came up with me and said, you busy? I said, hell yeah, that's right hand. Hi, my name's Tim Payne, and I'm all about myself, man. In the work in these streets, I got a hand full of hoes and no family. One day, bitch came up to me and said, Tim, you busy? I said, hell no, so I grabbed my dick.
Real talk, 2011. If 2011 isn't the best year of your life, then the next year will be. And if that year is not, then the next year will be. And so on and so forth. So fuck you if you have anything to say other than that. Real talk. Your life will get better from here. We're just trying to be fucking positive.
Thank you for coming.
Absolutely, man. Take care.
Seriously. Have fun, smile, have a good time, dance, maybe go to a friend's house and dance, do all that shit, dance.
Thank you for dancing up front. Thank you for at least standing while you didn't dance kind of in the middle.
Yeah, that's nice
Thanks
too.
for drinking at the bar.
Thank you.
Thanks for smoking outside.
Thank you. And thanks to the people that didn't show up as well, that didn't even want to come, but that's okay too, because those people are awesome as well.
Them.